such an amazing place with beauty that amazes you every time you look at it. This world is known to many by different oceans and continents in it. These continents, which were once part of this big landmass known as Pangaea, today is known to the world as the 8 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, South America, North America, Australia or Oceania, Antarctica, and the newly invented Zealandia are the 8 continents of the world. Each continent includes multiple countries with cultures and traditions that are totally different and still amazes everyone. Asia. This continent has around 48 United Nations recognized countries with population of 4.6 billion, and the size of the continent is around 44.6 million square kilometers. Africa. This continent has 54 United Nations recognized countries with population of 1.3 billion, and the size of this continent is around 30.2 million square kilometers. Europe. This continent has 44 United Nations recognized countries with population of 748 million, and the size of this continent is 10.2 million square kilometers. North America. This continent has 23 United Nations recognized countries with the population of 368 million, and the size of this continent is 24.7 million square kilometers. Oceania. This continent has 14 United Nations recognized countries with the population of 42 million, and the size of this continent is 8.5 million square kilometers. South America. This continent has 12 United Nations recognized countries with the population of 430 million, and the size of this continent is 17.8 million square kilometers. Antarctica. This continent has a population of 1106, and the size of this continent is 14 million square kilometers. Zealandia. This continent is partly a submerged continent with 2 United Nations recognized countries which are already a part of Oceania, and the population of this continent is 5 million, and the size of this continent is 4.9 million square kilometers. If you would like to know more about these continents, please visit my website, which is tripsy.com, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Everyone, travel and inspire.